You know it's the boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, the wait is over. The wait is over. Buju Banton is finally freed. Buju Banton is a free man after spending so much years in prison. We are going to talk about that right after this.
You miss it when you know the K attack and you catch your prey. Make sure you subscribe to Chadimori TV. Comment, like and share. You know, so if you click the notification bell because it's right there. I'm out.
So people, today me get some footage. Well, by this probably go viral. Me not sure if it'll go viral, but me I go share it with me subscriber them. You see me? When Buju Banton I go up on the plane. So watch this.
Oh, mommy down there gently.
That little grass, everything down there. See him there on the other side.
Oh, mommy
still
down.
have injury.
Nothing in
Wait, man. They come and I do a video. Hell yes. You take picture, I take video.
I want to bring this stuff. I don't want to come over here.
I'm supposed to have the best in front of the down. Yeah, I should have walked on mine.
Let me see the best one. Let me see what
Don't do that, man. You make it too suspicious. It don't happen.
Boy, I come in for I get goosebumps.
Yes, looky, come back. Yes.
You want to make nice.
Oh, free Buju. Remember that.
Yeah man, that a go on man. Yo, Jano Star, me feel good. If you know say we entertainer after spending so much years in a prison as opposed to about 10 years. Or 9 years him spend a prison. You see me? I'm happy if you see that, yo, Buju. So what to expect from Buju? Well, we expect Buju need to spend some time with him family, you see it? Even before hitting the studios and all these things, my expectation are that Buju would do. Spend a little time for him family, but me know say, yo, Uno, we are listening to this right now, the viewers and the subscriber, them including me. We want to see Buju on a stage show. We want to see Buju live. You see me? I think Rebel Salute is one of the next big shows in Jamaica. But then again, I don't think Rebel Salute Buju should have performed this for the first time. You see me? Not saying Rebel Salute is a bad show or nothing like that, but me feel like say venue and everything's too small. A national stadium, we want to see Buju. You see me? And right down there, so where the concert they keep, a Rebel Salute keep, it can't hold Buju Banton. No sir, it can't hold Buju Banton. Yo, Jado Star. But glad. I wonder if I saw Uno happy like how me happy. Yo, our next entertainer want to forward out of jail, you know. Vybz Kartel, you see it? It a go happen. Yo, it a go happen. It just take time. You see me? Because look, Buju Banton they all long and hold it down in there. You can't manage how much things the man a face in a prison. You see me? And anybody can do them time they in a prison and hold them meds, you know. Me a telling you that, you know, man. Because prison I know an easy place. Me never go there, but me hear enough people go there and forward back with stories and all these things. Prison I know an easy place. And Buju Banton go there and hold out. The Gargamel road, you mean? I want till I'm ready to rest. Yo, Buju Banton forward the road. People, as that story develop and all these things, you don't know say Chadimori TV there for update you know on what's taking place, you see me? And all the steps and everything regarding Buju and all these things. People, me have a live show a go on, you see me? Every Monday night at 8, you see me? So this and every Monday, you can just check in the live stream. And from you watch this video, I guess you know where to find the channel. But if you don't, at Chadimori TV, just put that in the search engine of Google and it must pop up. You see me? We are going to discuss this topic and more. And a lot more. And remember, every Monday night, you see me, at 9. So Buju there a road. People, just go and take in some of Buju tracks them in case you no figure. Some of the younger ones them when to know Buju. You see me, just go and take in some of Buju tracks them right now. Buju Banton. And while you're at it, Tell me your favorite Buju Banton in the comment section. What's your favorite Buju Banton? Which song where Buju Banton sing is your favorite? Or you have a favorite? Tell me your favorite album. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Driver, don't stop at all.
Driver, don't stop at all. Drop this Arizona round a Albemarle. Driver, don't even itch. Collect a little food there and come back quick. Hey, over me, out and road enough gal a mad over me. Out and road enough gal and then over me. Out and road enough gal a cry over me. Lad, me baby mother say me bad, me too 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 bad. How much gal alone me alone want have? Things change, no one see say life hard. You never used to say no money come my yard. You rent yo, you spend the whole I eat abroad. Squander your money, now you living like that. Why get the port come down in a one pass? I say this one dedicated to my browning. Pick up a test can stop can swing. Respect to the maximum from Shoestown to Ground Buju Banton. Love the article can done. Hear me now, Lord of mercy. Me love me car, me love me bike, me love me money and thing. But most of all, me love me brownie.
The rich man's wealth is in the city. Yeah. Destruction of the poor is his poverty. Lord, destruction of your soul.
Till I'm laid to rest. Yes, always be depressed. There's no life in the West. I know the East is the best. All the propaganda that spread, tongues will have to confess.
While I'm living, thanks I'll be giving. The most I know.
I'm a living while I'm living, to the Father I will pray.